It's been magical. It's been fantastic. They're phenomenal people, they're phenomenal individuals, and they do everything with a lot of heart. There's a lot of good work that can be done through Ayurveda, and I feel very honored to have been able to try it in this way. I know that sitting in my condo in Vancouver, I would not have progressed the way that I've progressed being here. Yeah, so Alia Mohammed, and like Ali Khan said, from Vancouver, and I've been doing Ayurvedic therapies for the last 2 months. I come from South Asian, South Indian, sort of South Asian family roots, and so why would I not try Ayurvedic medicine to heal a condition that I know is healable through really traditional medicines? Yes, you know Panchakarma, and yes, you know 21 days, but what does that actually mean when you hit the ground in India? And so that's where Ali Khan and Ayurooms really came into play. Everything from start to finish has been so meticulous, so thought through. When he first introduced himself and we had our first call, he talked about his experience. And I think that was what solidified working with him for me. It also gave me a lot of comfort knowing that he had experience with 60 plus facilities across India. Like, I don't know anybody who can say that. And so when you're thinking about what's the condition that you're dealing with, who are the doctors you should talk to, why would you not leverage the opportunity to work with someone that is in the field, that has experience in the field, knows all of the people? I mean, I've spent the day with him just here in Trivandrum, and we were walking around, and he knows a lot of people down here. So if you know, you just know that you've got to work with the right people to get the results that you want. The condition I'm grappling with is so complicated that we needed trial and error for the various therapies in order to determine what might actually be able to work for this condition that isn't curable by Western standards. So topical steroid addiction withdrawal is a condition that is super complicated. I came in eyes wide open. I knew I was not going to be cured through Ayurvedic therapies, but I knew it was going to help me forward my health healing journey, expedite it rather. My inflammation is down significantly. The symptoms are presenting in a more stark way, which I think is phenomenal. I'm shedding the old dead skin. So as much as I can't say to you with confidence that this is a cure, but it is definitely expediting the healing journey that I'm on. And you will see me again talking about how I've gotten through this. And I'm very proud of how far I've come. And I wouldn't have been able to do it without Ali Khan, Ayurooms supporting me the whole way. I do enjoy meat, but I have to tell you, after doing the vegetarian thing through Ayurvedic food and all of the nutritional benefits that I'm seeing in my body, and I think that really comes down to the time of day that you're eating, the temperature of your meal, the spices that are in your food, the teas that you're drinking. Everything is so methodical. I know that I want to continue to have when I leave here. And so that's definitely going to change what I eat, how I eat, and when I eat. Is the time of day that I'm eating. So 7:30 breakfast, 12:30 lunch, and then 5:30, 6:30 dinner. That's also going to be really important. And also, if I am going to introduce meats again, or when I do introduce meats again, is to do it more earlier in the day, I think, so there's time for it to digest. I think that's going to be really important. Plus, there's so much you can do with vegetables. And if you know how to cook them and you know how to cook, there's a world of opportunity and really great nutrition and food out there.